Hello everyone, welcome back to TaskDev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating this rounded navbar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. You can get the source code of this project in my GitHub, link will be in the description. Let's get started. Okay guys, first we are going to press Shift exclamation tab and we are going to link CSS and we are going to make a div with the class of container and enter. We are going to create a div header and we are going to create 4 elements, and between them we are going to create a I tag for icon. Will give okay, we will copy this 5 times okay guys. Next we are going to link our JavaScript. To link our JavaScript, we are going to script source and it's going to be app.js, and this is it for the JavaScript HTML. Now let's get started with our CSS. First we are going to create an asterisk selector and we are going to give a margin of 0, padding of 0 and a box sizing of border box. Okay guys, next we are going to create our container dot container selector width of 100% and max width of 1200 pixels, and we are going to give a margin of 0 auto and padding of 220 and background color of white and border of 1 pixel solid hash and a border radius of 10 pixels and box shadow. Okay, that's all for the container. Now let's get started with our header. Dot header selector background color of ash and text color of white, a padding of 20 pixels and a text align is going to be center, and we are going to have a border of bottom. So that's it for the header. Now let's get started with our icon. So we are going to do dot icon. Oh sorry, I forgot to close it. Okay, so we are going to use the icon size icon with 24 pixels, height 24 pixels, a margin right of 10 pixels, and that's it for the icon. Now let's create knit childs of 1 to 5. So we're going to create icon dot icon parenthesis knit child is going to be one and close. It's going to have background and background size. So this is all. Now we are going to copy it 5 times because we have 5 childs, and we are going to Control V 5 times, and we are going to change the numbers 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are going to enter. We are going to create icon dot transition animate, going to have animation of animate 2 seconds infinite, and we are going to have a transition of 1.5 seconds in inherit. Okay, so this is it for the CSS. Now let's get coding our JavaScript. Okay guys, now we are going to have document dot query selector parenthesis is going to create dot nav dot btn enter. It's going to have a dot add event listener and document selector nav button and closed. So this is it for the JavaScript. Now let's see the final outcome of this video. I hope you guys are excited to see the final outcome of this video. Let's get right into it. Show preview, you can see, but we don't know whether it's working or not. The animation should be, the CSS is done, HTML is done, JavaScript is done. Now only thing is to test is whether it's the functionality. The appearance looks the way we need. Now we will see whether it functions the way we need. And yes, it functions the way we need with this black hover effect and this rotation, which is done by JavaScript. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this, and I will see you in the next. Peace.